Okay, so here's a quick redo video on my vacuum collection because I got more vacuums. So basically here it is. Phantom Thunderbolt, Electrolux model 1521, Electrolux 1205, Kirby 512, Kirby Sanitronic 7, Kirby Classic Omega, Kirby Heritage 2 Turbo, Kirby Legend 2, Kirby Vacuette, Hoover Dial-O-Matic, JCPenney Canister, Hoover Concept 1, very basic Hoover Celebrity Style Canister that floats on air, Hoover Constellation that also floats on air, very old General Electric hand vac, the oldest vacuum in my collection. Hoover Double Duty 300. Hoover Quick Broom Supreme. Dirt Devil Roommate. Dirt Devil hand vac. Dirt Devil Featherlight. Dirt Devil Vision. Dirt Devil MVP. Dirt Devil Swivel Glide MVP. Dirt Devil Sensation. Royal Hand Vac, Dirt Devil Plus, Electro Hygiene Supreme, Royal All Metal Upright, Hoover Steam Vac Wide Path, GE Home Cleaning System, Premier Upright, Singer Power Master, Singer Power Amp, Singer Spot Cop Mini Steamer, 2 Dustbusters Black & Decker Dustbuster Platinum, and then Black & Decker Dustbuster Stick Vac, Kenmore Progressive Upright, Kenmore Magicord, Kenmore Powermate, Kenmore Whispertone 300, Kenmore Progressive, Basic Cheap Kenmore Compact Canister, Kenmore Twin Fan Upright, Kenmore Magicord upright with a 2-speed motor, Kenmore Performance, Kenmore upright that's a progressive, although it doesn't say progressive on it, Kenmore Progressive, the bagless version, Loot Big Wheel Model 90, Sharp Twin Energy, Pure Power, Eureka World Vac Bravo 2, Compact C4 Anniversary Edition, Compact C2, both some of my some of my oldest vacuum cleaners. So that's part 1.